Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Judith. If you are new here and if you are not, I just want to say a huge welcome to you. Thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. And then some few days ago I had like most comments from my viewers asking me to do updates on Kumasi Road. So today I decided to come to the Serwaa Aputoja Road and update you guys, and I am so heartbroken. The condition of the road is very poor, and I wouldn't talk much. I'll allow you to just have a look at what I saw. Hey friends, so just before the 2020 elections, I came to Atonsu and showed you this road project, the dual carriage road project. It was ongoing, everything was fine, workers were around. And then when it was around January, February, thereabouts, I don't really remember. I remember coming here again to update you all. But today I am very afraid to let you know that the road has been left like that. Like there's no work ongoing again. And if you are from Kumasi and you know this road very well, the Atonsu road, you know that it's a very busy road, and then it's always having this traffic on it. And I don't know why the construction has been halted or has been paused, but then again I think it needs some sort of attention, and that's why I came. So I'm driving through this road to the Aputoja and Serwaa road due to the construction. In fact, I always say this, that if you know you are not going to complete it anytime soon, don't even start, because once you start, the place becomes very the place comes into a condition that is very unbearable for the people using the road. The reason why I'm saying that is that because of the construction, it has made this road very dusty, and then the traffic condition on this kind of road is very serious. Like if you are going to Atonsu and you are using so most of the tractor drivers and the commercial drivers, they've actually maneuvered their ways around, and then they've found some roads to escape the traffic. But still, that road is not even a proper road like that. So I think I had to actually come here and let you guys see what is happening there. And in my opinion, it demands some sort of attention, because from this place, you as you are watching the video, you see the kind of traffic I'm talking about. From this place to the middle there, before you get to Atonsu School Junction, there's some bridge projects that they were doing, and it has also been left like that. And from what I know, when it rains, people can't use these roads. Like when it rains, people have to stay back for hours before the rain stops, and then the flooding and everything becomes normal before they use the roads. And I think it demands some sort of attention. So I mentioned earlier about the bridge construction that has also been left like that, and I actually observed a lot when I was in the car, and it's not safe at all. I think it's very risky because it needs to be done. What if, I'm not saying something bad should happen, but there's a high risk of something bad happening. So I think both the bridge, the road, and everything needs to be constructed within the shortest possible time, because I think the people of Kumasi really deserve better. Sometimes when I upload a video, it's not as if I don't read the comments. I read every single comment, and some of the comments are very bitter. Like, the people living here are so bitter about the fact that when it's approaching elections, you come all the way to make a lot of promises, and once the elections are done, just go back to being dormant with respect to the projects and then the infrastructure and everything. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I just hope that you do enjoy this video. Please don't forget to send in your opinions, your suggestions, your views and everything, and I will address them all. Once again, my name is Judith. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video to a friend, a family member, a loved one. So I'll see you in another video. Peace out.